Today, we are putting together alphabet sounds teaching tubs. Let's get started. Let's get a tub and a lid. This week, we are working on the letter Z. Here it is. It has an uppercase Z and a lowercase z. Goes on the lid, the top of the lid. Now let's find the red sticker one, and it has the letter Z, an uppercase Z, and a lowercase z. And we will put it on the tub. Now let's find the sticker that goes on the bottom of the lid. It has an uppercase Z and a lowercase z. Now let's find the things that we will put in the bucket. First, we will find them. We need an uppercase Z and we need a lowercase z. Now let's find some objects that start with the letter Z, like a zebra. Next is the shape zigzag. That goes up and down or back and forth. Look at that. Zigzag. Next is the number 0. Next is a zucchini. It's like a squash, but green. Next is a zipper. You might have a zipper on your jacket. And finally, we have the word zoo. We love to go to the zoo and see lots of animals. Well, let us review. First, let's put the letter uppercase Z in the bucket. And now a lowercase z. Zebra, zigzag, 0, zucchini, zipper, and a zoo sign. That's all the things with the letter Z. This was fun. Let's put the lid on it. Z. See you next time.